Slips, trips and falls are some of the most common injuries in the workplace. 13,000 Queensland workers suffer an injury as a result of a slip, trip or fall every year, resulting in 256,000 lost work days and over 60 million in workers' compensation payments. What can cause slips, trips and falls? Contaminants. Wet spills such as water, oil or grease. Dry contaminants such as dust, metal shavings, plastic bags. Floor surfaces. Clean floors regularly. Give prompt attention to all spills. Obstacles and other trip hazards. Uneven flooring, cluttered walkways, low obstacles. People and activity. People hurrying, carrying large objects, pushing high trolleys, standing behind people, and people on mobile phones. Poor lighting, low lighting in walkways. Your footwear. Footwear should be closed in, comfortable with adequate non-slip sole, checked regularly to ensure tread is not worn or clogged with contaminants. So what can you do to avoid injuring yourself or others? 1. Remove the risk as soon as possible. 2. Reduce the risk to the best of your ability. 3. Report to a supervisor if you notice a hazard. Report your incidents and don't forget to also report a near miss. Here's some top tips. Keep your work and storage areas tidy. Mark hazards, slippery and uneven surfaces, and manage cords and extensions off the floor. Let's work together to keep safe at Neighbours Aid.